If you have questions as to how to maintain your CrossWave Cordless Max, we'll help you in this video. When you're done cleaning your home, remember to use the self-cleaning cycle to clean your machine. Make sure your docking station is plugged in and there is enough solution in the clean water tank. If there's not, remove the tank and fill it with warm water to the level of the self-cleaning graphic. Reinsert the clean water tank. Press the self-cleaning cycle button on the front of the machine to run the 40-second cleanout cycle. If the dirty water tank gets full during the cycle, empty the dirty water tank. You'll know it's full if the machine shuts off and the dirty water tank empty icon on the digital display flashes orange. To empty the tank, remove the tank by pushing the teal button above the tank and pulling it down and out. Remove the lid by grabbing the black sides. Use the pet hair strainer to separate the pet hair and debris from the dirty water. Throw the hair in the trash and pour the dirty water down the sink. Reinsert into the machine. Once reinserted, press the self-cleaning button again and the cycle will pick back up where it left off. When the self-cleaning cycle is done, empty the dirty water tank. After emptying, clean the dirty water tank and filter with warm water. Place the filter to dry in the drying bracket. Next, pull up on the brush roll window to remove it. Remove the brush roll by pulling on the white tab on the left side of the foot. Put the brush roll in the drying bracket to dry. When you're ready to clean again, reassemble the machine. Another important part of maintaining your CrossWave is storing it. It should be stored in a protected dry area. Since it uses water, make sure you don't store it anywhere there is a danger of freezing. Your CrossWave will also charge while it's stored on the docking station. To see how your machine charges, watch our video on charging the battery. Now that you know how to maintain your machine, you can enjoy cleaning with it for years to come.